3, now starring as the arch-villain Gru, Dara O'Brien.
The Hammersmith Apollo, are you in good form? Very, very good. My name is Darwin. It is a pleasure to be standing in front of you. It's a pleasure, by the way, after a tour which has gone all over Ireland and all over the UK, to be back in London, ladies and gentlemen. It's a delight to be back at home in one regard. And may I also say, it's interesting to be back in London now, because we left you, and then when we came back, things had changed in London in a very subtle way. It's like one of those short stories you read as a teenager, one of these science fiction stories where you'd go into the past, right? And then you'd like sneeze on a pterodactyl or step on something, right? And then you come back and the whole world has changed. We went to Basingstoke, Croydon and Aylesbury, and when they came back, you'd elected Fat Andy Warhol as the mayor. Very down on racism, and they'll say that racism is one of the worst social evils they can imagine. How dare you do that, they say. How dare you ascribe to me personality traits? You don't even know me, but you tell me that you know me and you know these things about me. And you say I share these personality traits with this huge group of people and I don't even know them, you don't know them. And you say not only do we have these same character traits, but we have some sort of common history and some common destiny. And you make all of these horrible presumptions on the back of what? On the back of a fluke of birth. How dare you? Racism, way better than astrology. And here's the proof, right? Take a piece of paper and write down all the star signs, 12 of them. Then they get another piece of paper and write down all the different racial groupings you can think of. You'll get to 50, 60 easily. Then if you're Irish, you can start going county by county. That's another 32, right? Here in this country, you start going, Glaswegians do this, like whatever, and Geordies do that, and Scousers do. You'll get up to 80 easily, at which point racism is 6 or 7 times more powerful than astrology in dividing up the population. And here's the clincher. How much better?